Hi, welcome to Tesla Giga Series, where we talk about the latest news and exciting things Tesla is doing in its gigafactories to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share our videos. This helps us thrive as a channel and continue making great videos for you every week. Today, we will be talking about what made news with Giga Texas and Giga Nevada. Tesla announced on Wednesday, December 1st that it has officially relocated its headquarters to a location next to Gigafactory Texas in Austin. At Tesla's 2021 shareholders meeting in October, Elon Musk announced that Tesla would be moving its headquarters from Palo Alto, California, to Austin, Texas. The CEO did not elaborate on the move or reveal the exact location, though it was widely assumed that it would be at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla equally issued a new SEC filing, confirming the move and revealing Tesla's new headquarters address. However, a quick Google search reveals that the address is directly across the street from Gigafactory Texas in Austin. Tesla followers have been wondering whether Tesla will move its headquarters into the main Gigafactory Texas building itself or into a different building on the site, which is a massive 2,000 acres of land. But the fact that it's not right in the main building doesn't mean that it won't be located in there, as addresses on new developments like this one are often messed up and get cleared away over time. Currently, the site only has a few temporary trailers and construction offices. During the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic, Musk said that Tesla would leave California after he grew frustrated with the restrictions that made it hard for the automaker to restart production. Soon after, Tesla announced plans to build a large factory and complex in Austin, but the automaker's headquarters remained in Palo Alto. Musk himself officially relocated to Texas, and until the confirmation in October, there have been rumors that Tesla would soon follow. Meanwhile, Tesla Giga Nevada's semi-megachargers are live, based on recent reports and pictures from the factory. Tesla appears to have started expanding the parking lot at Giga Nevada as well. Construction on the Tesla semi-megachargers, which appear to be larger versions of the company's urban superchargers with thicker cables, was reported back in October. Shortly after Giga Nevada started constructing semi-megachargers, PepsiCo CEO Ramon Laguarta stated that the popular soda pop company was expecting to receive its first Tesla semis in the fourth quarter. Pepsi said it was expecting to receive 15 Tesla semis earlier this year. Tesla Giga Nevada will be producing the company's Class 8 truck. Tesla started posing jobs for semi-production at Giga Nevada last December. There is currently one job in Sparks, Nevada listed for the semi. Tesla is hiring a mechanical design engineer, who can help develop the batteries for the vehicle. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you want to see more about the innovations Tesla is putting in place to make the world a better place, please subscribe to the channel.